It's a Fair Friday. And I missed 3 Fair Fridays. I'm sorry. So I'll be triple uploading, maybe quadruple uploading, with a bunch of fun stuff. So this is my first upload of today. I'm sorry. There's been a lot of things coming up in my life. So, what we are doing today is opening up these won't stain juices and seeing what color they are, because I doubt they're like pink or purple. So, everybody, trying to make a thumbnail. Okay, sorry. Mom's here. She was the one. You should see her face right now. She's so embarrassed. So, let's open this up. I'm sorry, it should be louder, because nobody can hear me. Well, luckily the TV isn't on. You can hear me very well, which is usually not good. I'm probably going to be taking, music mix, volume, mixing classes and, shooting classes, so I can, rent out, some camera equipment from the PPLD library. Yeah, probably gonna be doing that, so I just kind of work that out. So I have my glass right here. Oh, there we go. Don't really need to see my face. Oops, spilling. Well, if you don't know, the second reason I'm quadruple uploading is because tomorrow we're having my brother's birthday party, and I want to keep you updated on that. There might be a few vlogs and fun things to film. And oh my god, these people are stupid. Of course it's not going to stain, it's freaking clear. Jeez, the high C's are freaking idiots. Mom's just giggling.
I'm not saying a word.
But they are! They're freaking idiots, because everybody knows about
it's not
stain.
going to stain if it clears.
I know, right?
But what do you think it's going to be a color? So they're going to say, oh, it's bright red, but it won't stain.
Well, it could have been like a magic ink. That's exactly.
There's no magic to do.
Exactly. Freaking idiots. Do something.
So what do you want to do? Call the company up and complain?
Yes. Let's complain. Let's
Tell them that you want fake colors put in that drink, darn it.
Well, little kids aren't gonna want to drink a colorless drink. Like, look at this. Like, what if their parents just like decide to open it up?
That's the whole point.
So, this
They're
is
little messy children.
This is how it looks like. Tastes the same. Obviously, it's high C. We have 3 unopened straws because I did this off camera. But I just want to show how stupid high C is. Okay, just like put some invisible ink in there to make us happy, please. And where you shake it, it just makes it invisible. That. Oh my god.
You might have a copyright infringement. I'm not an idiot.
No, I'm not. I've done this before. As long as there's nobody's music in there. Also, I'm not even showing the label of high C. The video quality is not clear enough to see the high C juice box.
So you're naming off the name.
Nope. If you're like naming something, you're not gonna get a copyright claim unless you're actually like using their like not being original. Wait, is Mom still going to sleep?
Yes, good night. I'm sleeping.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
I'm tired.
Oh my god.
I didn't sleep for a whole night. I have a lot of sleep depression.
Well, I didn't sleep for a whole night and I only slept 3 hours, so.
That's weird.
And I'm not even tired right now.
I'm a sick person, so it's harder for me. It's longer for me to get back.
I have no idea. Like, there was like a 2 minutes worth of nothing and hearing me talk. So, I'm gonna end this video here. I know it was super short, but I honestly do not
have any new ideas.
This is why nobody will love you, Mom. Oh my god. So like, subscribe, comment, and
Who's gonna like, subscribe, and comment to that? You should edit that part out.
shut up, Mom. I'm not editing any part out, okay? Like, subscribe, comment down below, and Jinx. Owe me $1 million. Even though. Oh my god, they're still freaking stupid. There's like a little bit of blue on the bottom. Like, it's not even colored. I'm so disappointed in this, honestly. Okay. Subscribe to be a big fluffy unicorn and dance on rainbows. If you want, if you like unicorns. Okay, this is honestly not doing anything. So bye. Wow. Just wow. Won't even stop. Bye. Tune.